The Great Forest Race. In a peaceful forest, animals were buzzing with excitement because today was the day of the annual forest race. This year, two unusual contenders signed up, Ronnie the rabbit and Tommy the tortoise. Everyone knew Ronnie was the fastest in the forest. He could zoom past anything in a blink. But Ronnie was also a bit too proud of his speed. Tommy, on the other hand, was slow and steady but had a heart full of determination. The race began, and as expected, Ronnie zoomed ahead, laughing as he looked back at the slow-moving Tommy. Halfway through, Ronnie got tired and thought, "Tommy is so far behind, I might as well rest for a bit." He lay under a shady tree and soon fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, Tommy didn't stop. Step by step, he moved forward, his focus only on the finish line. The forest animals cheered him on, impressed by his determination. As Tommy neared the finish line, Ronnie suddenly woke up. Panicking, he darted forward as fast as he could, but it was too late. Tommy crossed the finish line just as Ronnie was about to catch up. The animals cheered, and Ronnie, though disappointed, admitted, "You won, Tommy, fair and square. Slow and steady really does win the race." From that day on, Ronnie learned the value of patience and respect for others' strengths, while Tommy became a hero, proving that determination can beat even the fastest.